Hello everyone. I am recording some videos for frequently asked questions, I guess. So I'm on my Skyward right now. First thing I'm going to show you is how to add comments on the comment bank. So I'm on my teacher access. I'm going to go down to where it says my gradebook. And then I'm going to go to any of these classes. I'm just going to choose math. And for you to add the comments of the comments that we talked about, I think we talked about like 8 different comments that we're going to use all together. So for you to do that, I'm going to go under display options and I'm going to click on the last one. It says assignment comment bank. When you get there, I deleted all of mine so I can show you. So I'm going to click on add, and the first thing that I'm going to put is extended time. And I'm going to save it. Very simple. And I'm going to do another one. Let's say I want to do small group. So I'm going to put small group. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to quickly show you how to add those comments. Let's say I want to add my comments on one of my exit slip. And sorry, let me go back. Let me actually click on the score, one of the score. And when I'm on there, either if you do the mass assign, that means all of them will have the same comment. Or I can click on certain student and I'm going to start typing in whatever the accommodation is, and I can just click on it. When I click on it, it should save it. Sorry, I don't know why it's not working. Maybe it's at my home or something. But that's how you add it, and for you to save it, obviously you just save it. And that's the first thing that I wanted to show you about the comments. So basically, again, display options, assignment comment bank is where you add it. If you want to add the comments, you're going to go ahead and click on one of the assignment by the score, not by the actual assignment, and then you're going to go and then click on and start typing in whatever the comment is, and you're going to double click it and it will show right there. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Thank you.